Hi everyone, here is CASTRO'S General Contracting. Here we are in this warehouse. We're doing a demolition. And there is the two guys on the left. All this wall is about 30-35 feet up. We're doing all the drywall here, taking all the drywall down. All these studs are gonna come down. We're just making an opening here because at the back there, at the back wall, they're gonna redo another. They're gonna build another small warehouse for a printing shop. So here we are. All this is gonna come down. All this studs is a tunnel hallway. It's gonna come down. We already did one at the very back of the place.
You didn't catch my face on camera, did you?
No. I'm just gonna sell your info to China.
You don't like everybody else. Joke. It's actually not. Really?
So there's a big cleanup here. And there at the back, see the back wall there? The back wall there was on the back of that, there was another hallway like this that we brought down. And they're gonna build where those boxes are. They're gonna build from that post, there, all the way to the front. They're gonna build the warehouse here. Okay, so I'll see you when it's all down or halfway through it. See, it's gonna be like this opening. That's another opening we made right there. This was the whole wall. It's exactly the same as what we're doing here. Exactly the same. So anyways, give us a call. That's 778-891-4017. And here we're gonna be building a wall all the way to the ceiling. Metal studs and drywall, painting, everything. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.